Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. How you doing? I'm blessed. I'm blessed. You're blessed. We're blessed. Thank you, great God. Festival mix again. Yeah, I hope you like the three-way festival mix. If you didn't see it, guys, which you should have, the link will be up here to see those three ingredients. Those three recipes, not ingredients, three recipe. Look up here, you'll see it, and watch it after you've watched this one. Okay, so we'll be making I'll make the recipe as I go along. You'll see them all, but today the first one, hopefully it's the first one, don't take my words for it, but I'll be making some cookies, coconut cookies. Yep, coconut. So in my bowl I have 1 cup 1 cup butter, and now I'll be adding 2/3 cup icing sugar. That's my phone. Give me a minute. As I was saying, 1 cup butter, softened butter. Remember, soften your butter, and 2/3 cup icing sugar. I'll be creaming. Help. 1 teaspoon vanilla. This recipe calls for 2 cups flour. So this is about, my festival mix is about 2 and little bit over 1/4 cup, because it's, as you see, it's 270 grams. So this is probably a little bit over a cup and 1/4. So I'll add another 1/2 cup of flour to this recipe, and I'll be adding also 1/2 cup coconut. And this is sweetened coconut. So now, festival mix. This I'll add first. I'll be adding in my flour. Time for my coconut. And to get this all off my mixer, this is what I'll do. Most of it. So this is my cookie dough. I'm now gonna wrap it in saran wrap and put it in the fridge. So this way I can just easily slice my cookies.
You want to see
What do you
behind the
mean
scenes?
slow? So here's my cookie into a log. Now I will put it in the fridge, or maybe the freezer, for 30 minutes. Now I'll bake these for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degree. This recipe calls for 2 packs festival mix. This is the cranberry orange cake. Time to get started. 1 cup sugar, 8 tablespoons melted butter, whisk, I've never used the hand mixer. I'm tired already.
I lost you. I see you.
Yes, I'm tired. I think I should use the mixer. So, 30 minutes. 4 eggs. Now I'll grate in zest of the orange. Two teaspoons vanilla. Half cup orange juice.
Up your flour.
And get out the lumps. Had my flour, my festival mix in 2.
It has 1 speed. Has 1 speed.
That is.
What kind of mixer has 1 speed?
No, not 1 speed. That's the lowest.
That's the lowest. What?
Now half of the milk. The rest of my festival mix. Now I'll fold in my cranberries. This will go in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. It's a little simple syrup to brush my orange cranberry festival mix cake. So I juiced an orange, and now I'll add about a 1/4 cup sugar. Turn down the fire. So guys, here's my cake, all done. Orange cranberry festival mix cake with my simple syrup. And this is just orange juice and sugar. So you want your cake to absorb in this syrup. So now I'll leave this cake to cool